Okay, I'm still working on it, but I wanted to do a quick review on how to put a Romex connector in. Now I just want to go ahead and snug it up to where I have like a quarter turn left and a nut on the inside. Then with a screwdriver, go ahead and tighten it the rest of the way. And there you go. You have your Romex connector secured in there. The easiest way I do though. Alright, I'm still working on it, so we're still working on it here, and I'm working my way around. I want to show you something else. I always like to unscrew the screws to the connector before I mount the box. The quick way to do that is don't grab this, the handle, and try. I just grab the shaft and undo them. Makes it easy to slide the wire in. So when we gotta slide that wire in, just easier to do. Okay, I'm working on it. The way I like to put in the MeX connector is the same thing as the Romex. When I snug it up with the nut in there, just so it's snug and about a quarter inch away from where we need to be. And then with channel locks, we'll just give it a little turn. And there we have it. One other thing I want to show you that's interesting is each one of these MeX wires, which you don't always see, has a little ground strap on it, right there. And that a lot of MeX wires don't have that. That's actually a ground. That needs folded over the edge, so your connector flips at the other. And it makes a nice grind to the box. Before you put your MeX in your connector, always make sure you put one of these insulators in there. It keeps the wires from chafing. And then you just go ahead and slide in. So we always have a red insulator in each MeX wire. I usually like to put my ground wire in before I put the box up. It's just easier. But if you forgot, it's not the end of the world. We'll go ahead and make a quick grind. We just want to make a loop on there. Go ahead and bend it so it goes in the box nice. Next we have a screw, grounding screw, which we'll put in. Okay, there you have it. And then we'll go ahead and screw that into the box. If you can buy the boxes with the little cable hump there, it makes it nicer to put the ground screw in. Especially if you're mounting your boxes flush on the wood. Okay, there you have it. As you can see, all of our wires are in boxes now. All of our wires are mounted into boxes. I have some of them mounted to the side, but for the most part, I have them loose because I need room to play to get all the wires in. Some will be mounted towards the back, and at this point, we just need to connect all of our colors together. So what we do now, I have some wire, and I'll go from box to box and hook all the colors up. So right now I'm just going to just put my wire in and go from box to box. So I have enough wire to go from here to this red to this red, or these two reds to that red. And we'll be working on that.